preprocessor in C programming. Okay, so hash include is called a preprocessor directive. Preprocessor replaces text with actual content. It replaces before the compilation process. Okay, so first the source code. The source code is converted to the expand source code with the help of preprocessor. Then it is converted into a machine code. That is, with the help of preprocessor, it is converted to the machine code with the help of the compiler. Now we will see a steps handwritten program. Okay, first we have a handwritten program that is converted to C source code with the help of text editor. Then the C source code is converted to the expanded source code with the help of preprocessor. Then the expanded source code is converted to the object code with the help of compiler. Then the object code is converted to the executable code with the help of linker. Okay friends, that's it for now. We will continue in the next lecture.